10 Proven Ways to Lose Weight Fast. If you're looking to lose weight fast, it can seem like there are many ways to do it. But when most people try these supposed quick fixes, they don't see results and quit before long, because there's no true substance behind the advice they were given or the products they bought. Here are 10 proven ways to lose weight fast that will show you what it takes to slim down the right way so you can reach your goals and get in shape in the long term as well. 1. Green tea. Green tea may be the most beneficial drink for weight loss. You don't need to drink a lot of it, as it's just one small element of your diet and exercise routine. However, studies have shown that people who drink 4 cups of green tea a day are about 4 pounds lighter on average than non-green tea drinkers. Those who reduce their calories by 300 without cutting carbs or fat lose 8% more weight than those on a 1,500 calorie diet without any tea. 2. Fish. 1. Eat breakfast. Skipping breakfast is one of the worst mistakes you can make if you're trying to lose weight because it leaves your body starved and waiting for whatever hits next, and that may be a high-calorie snack later in the day. Lack of food will also cause your body's metabolism rate to slow down as it conserves calories. It's worth getting out of bed just for a few minutes so you don't eat more later in the day, trust me. 3. Fiber. Adding more fiber-rich foods into your diet is one of the best ways to lose weight. Fiber can reduce hunger and help regulate blood sugar levels. It is also low in calories and can even slow down digestion, which helps you feel fuller for longer. 4. Citrus fruits. Eat fresh fruits like oranges or grapefruits. These are loaded with vitamin C, potassium and citric acid that is proven to aid in weight loss. Try cooking food using a little bit of lemon or lime juice. These citrus fruits add a tangy taste to any dish without adding extra fat and calories from traditional oils like butter or oil. 5. Quinoa. One of the most nutritious grains on the planet, quinoa is a great weight loss food because it is a complex carbohydrate. Quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids that you need for muscle building and repairing. Quinoa is rich in magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium and calcium, which will help with weight management and energizing your body. Like all healthy whole grains, quinoa has an excellent fiber content that helps to keep blood sugar levels stable by slowing down digestion and maintaining blood sugar levels throughout the day. 6. Veggies. No matter how long you are on a weight loss journey, eating vegetables should be a daily habit. Veggies are high in nutrients, which is the fuel your body needs to maintain its energy. A study in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that people who ate green leafy vegetables lost more weight than those who didn't. By filling up on healthy choices like asparagus, spinach, and broccoli, you'll also prevent cravings for less nutritious foods like potato chips or chocolate cake. 7. Greek yogurt. When it comes to weight loss, nothing is better than yogurt. Packed with protein and low in fat, Greek yogurt, or any kind of yogurt, provides a satiating option for your breakfast that won't pack on the pounds. In one study, eating 200 grams of plain Greek yogurt a day led to an average weight loss of 2 pounds after 4 weeks, and almost 5 pounds after 6 months. Other studies have shown similar results. 8. Flaxseed oil. If you want a natural, healthy way to lose weight, then I would recommend flaxseed oil. This oil is highly nutritious and provides many health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of this oil is that it can help with weight loss by speeding up your metabolism. It also has anti-inflammatory properties which will help reduce pain and inflammation in joints as well as any other symptoms caused by arthritis or autoimmune diseases. 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is one of the best foods for weight loss because it takes a long time to digest and it gives you lasting energy for the whole morning. Oatmeal is also packed with nutrients and can keep your stomach feeling full, helping reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. 10. Water. Drinking water will help you lose weight by reducing your cravings for other foods. In fact, studies show that drinking about 8 glasses of water per day can reduce your daily caloric intake by more than 500 calories. This results in a reduction of about 1 pound every 10 days.